if you want to check your song history on Apple Music or just see what songs have previously played, it's simple to do. So all you have to do is go to your Apple Music app. And as you see, I have a song selected. It's really important to do that. So you want to go ahead and hit the three bars at the bottom right-hand corner. It kind of looks like a menu button. And this is going to show you the songs that are going to be coming up and playing in a certain order. But what we can do is take our finger and swipe down, and that's going to give you a history of the songs that have previously played. Now, if you want to go ahead and check this history, this is how you do it. But if you want to clear that history also, you'll have the option here at the top right corner to say clear. And then it's going to ask you if you want to clear your history, which is really not a big deal. Go ahead and hit clear. And then that's it. It's super simple and super easy to check your song history, but also clear it.